Have you ever had stewed papaya with goat meat and beef? Well, this is a delicious recipe. Here in the Netherlands Antilles, they call it Papaya Stoba, which is stew papaya. And I'm pairing it with some goat meat and beef, as I mentioned earlier. And this is how I serve it up with some gungo rice and peas, fried plantain. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, continue watching, guys. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much. For those coming for the first time, welcome as well. So let's jump straight into the video. First call of action is to prepare our goat meat and beef. Season well and allow to marinate for a couple of hours. So continue watching and I'll come back in a bit. For the natural season blend this as ginger, pimento seeds, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, a lot of goodies, guys. So can you just imagine the taste of this meat when it's finished. So we're just adding some soy sauce, powder seasons of choice. Those that I'll be using, I'll link them in the description box below. So this is a couple hours after. I'm going to heat up some oil. Then I add my marinated meat and allow it to start cooking. In the meanwhile, I'm going to add some water in my kettle and allow that to boil so we can add it to our meat in small portion so it can cook our meat. Okay, don't add no water at this stage. Just stir it, cover a pot and allow it to start sweat and start cook. So now let's prep our papaya. Here I have 2 green papayas. I'm going to use a smaller one. I'm just going to wash this, peel and remove the inside the seeds. But facts, are you aware that they use the papaya seeds for meat tenderizer? Yes, they do. So now I'm just going to peel my papaya and cut these in strips and in chunks and put aside until when it's time to use. So continue watching as we prep the rest of ingredients for the stew. Here we're back after a couple of minutes. Now we're checking out our meat and we're just going to add some hot water, not a lot at once, and cover our pot and allow this to continue cooking. And we'll do this until our meat is tender enough. We're also going to prep some fresh season. I'm using thyme, hot pepper, bell peppers, and some garlic. And I'm just going to wash these and cut these in some thick chunks and put aside until when it's time to use. I'm searching for the clip where I test my meat and it was completely cooked, and also the clip where I add the papaya to my meat, but I can't find it, guys. Seems as if I delete it. But anyhow, my meat was completely tendered and I add my papaya. After 5 minutes, I'm adding my rest of seasoning that I prepped, and we're just going to add enough water so these can cook, and also enough for sauce. So just add enough and cover this and allow it to simmer, then we'll come back. Now I'm back after 5 minutes, and now it's time to put our final touch to the sauce. I'm going to add a bit of ketchup and adjust taste if needed. Cover my pot and allow this to simmer until our sauce thickens, and then we can serve. But continue watching and I'll come back at the end of the video. So here you have it, guys, my delicious papaya stewed with goat meat and beef. This tastes very good, guys, and it's a must try. And remember, guys, look out for the papaya seed video. I'm going to do a more detailed one explaining how and what meat is best for that. Okay, and this is how I serve it up with some gungo rice and peas, some fried plantain, and dinner was very delicious. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope that you will like the video, share, drop me a comment below, hype the video, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.